Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Statistician. Today is our fourth lecture of our course named Statistical Data Analysis by using Python. In our first lecture we learned about what is Python. In our second lecture we learned about how we can import a data set on Python. And in our third lecture we learned how we can install packages and write a script on Python. So guys, in our total lecture we are going to perform correlation analysis by using the Python. So guys, we will learn how we can import data set, how we can write script from Python, and how we can today we will not write script, we will generate script, how we can generate script for the correlation guys. So let's start our video. If you have not subscribed my channel, must subscribe my channel, and if you have not started course, our studio must watch complete videos of our studio course. So guys, first of all I will open my Jupyter notebook and I will open my working directory that I created, and here I saved my data set file. As you can see, I will open Python or Jupyter notebook. So guys, all these steps I have already teach you in the previous classes in detail. So guys, must watch from video 1. So guys, first of all I will cross everything. So let's start guys. So first of all what I will do, I will install the package import dataset, and the package that is required is called Pandas. So pipe install Pandas. So here my package is installed. So I will run it. Yes. So now what I will do, I will give Pandas name PD, same as I gave yesterday. Import Pandas as PD. Import Pandas as PD, run it. Now I will write down the script to import a dataset. PD function name, then read Excel, name of the file, read Excel. Then I will write the name of the file, ficus dot xls and bracket close. Here I will add inverted commas after xls and before ficus. I have inverted commas. I will run the script. Here you can see that my dataset has imported on Jupyter notebook. Here you can see that. So what now I will do is, actually now I will do that I will write down the short form of this script. Mean I will give ficus equal to this script. Ficus equal to this. I will run it again. So now I will not write complete script for dataset. I will only write ficus. So now I will perform the correlation analysis. For that I will str my data. Str means that I will get my all the data in the form of a table. So what we will do, at in our studio we do a str and write down the dataset. But here we don't do str. We just simply write down print. Then we will write ficus dot info. I have also teaching you previous lecture these things. We'll add bracket, then close bracket, and we'll run the script. Here I have got this str my data. I will copy this and paste here in separate cell. No, press enter. Sorry, control D, yes. Press enter. Now I will copy this complete, control C, and now scroll down, and here I will paste it. Now I will copy this table. I have str my data. Now I will open the ChatGPT. So now I will ask ChatGPT, I want correlation analysis on Python. Yes, I will send the table that I copied and send. ChatGPT will generate the script for correlation. So guys, we don't need to remember all the script. We should only remember the basic scripts. How we can str dataset, how we can import dataset. These are the basic things. So first of all, I will load complete script. The base script has loaded. Now what I will do guys, I will copy this script and again open my Jupyter notebook here. Now I will paste the script that I copied. Here I will add a cell by plus sign here. Now I will paste the script. Now I will run this script. You can see that correlation plots would be generated here in a few seconds. So guys, here you can see that we have generated correlation tables and correlation plots visualization. Here we go. This is correlation table plot, and here heat correlation heat map, and here candle correlation heat map, and here pairs of other features by species. You can see that guys, each and every graph on the Python. So we can also save this by just drag and drop, open WhatsApp, and you can save on WhatsApp or anywhere do you want. So guys, this is how we can perform the correlation analysis by using the pattern. And I have very good news guys. So my Statisticians channel is launching a new course named SPSS. Before SPSS course, we will learn the detail about descriptive statistics, and also we will learn about variables, descriptive stats, and each and everything. So first of all, we should also know why we do correlation. Why we do correlation analysis. So we must also have information about this concept. So let's see why we do correlation analysis. Correlation analysis helps you understand the relationship between two or more variables. It quantifies how strongly interaction what variables are related. Either our variables are related or not. Main objective is measure strength, tell you how strong the relationship is between two variables. Identify direction, show whether variables move together positive and opposite direction. Negative feature selection in matching, learning or regression would be more highly correlated. Hypothesis testing, and these are the details why we perform the correlation analysis. So this is all about guys why we do the correlation analysis. So we can also learn what should be the condition of variables. What should be condition of variable. For correlation analysis guys, overall variables must be in numerical form. In numerical form, not numeric form. So guys, here is the condition for correlation analysis. Before applying correlation analysis, your variable should be specific statistical condition depending on the type of the correlation you are using. Here is the detail. Interval ratio scale, both variables should be numeric, as I told you. Now linear relationship variables should be roughly straight line, normal distribution, and homos statistic aspect of one variable should be constant across the value of the other. Not suitable for skewed data or outliers. So these are the conditions guys. You must also know each and everything in details guys. So must practice this analysis. So tomorrow we will learn about how we can map the heat map by using the multiple variable on the on Python. So subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed my channel guys, and let's meet on our next lecture. Thank you.